I cannot believe those little things make that much of a difference. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the baffles from that Akrapovic exhaust that I have on my 2024 Ducati Pikes Peak. Now this Acra exhaust is pretty common in a lot of different multistradas. So this technique will work for most, if not all, of these Akrapovic exhausts. If you've watched the channel before, you know I have a full titanium exhaust here on this bike, and it sounds absolutely awesome. I'm actually going to show you a nice cold start here because I do want to show you the difference before and after in case you are considering this for your exhaust. And while I think it sounds pretty awesome already, especially when you're revving the bike, I want it just a bit louder. As a matter of fact, my buddy Sammy got a multistrada and he took the baffles out, and I liked the sound. It sounded a bit deeper, a bit louder, and that's kind of what I'm looking for. So that's why I'm removing the baffles. And I'm going to show you some of the things I had to do to just sort of remove it. It's really simple if you've got a few tools, and I'm going to show you that what I have here in the garage. And oh, by the way, the reason why I'm in the garage is because, once again, it is snowing here in New Jersey. It's actually snowing right now. I'm going to show you here in a second when I turn on the bike. The winter's been brutal. We're expecting another 8 or 9 inches later next week. So I am here in the Fly and Ride garage just doing some winter mods, and just like many of you that are here in the Northeast, waiting for some good riding weather. So let me show you what I'm going to do here. The baffles here, you can tell it's in here. I actually started to do it already. So this bolt right here has a weld on it. I'm going to see if I can zoom in there so you can see it. I took the Dremel, which I'm going to show you here in a minute, and I grinded down that weld point. And then that bolt now just comes off, and the baffle just comes right out. We're going to do the same thing on the top one there. Remove that. And that's all you really have to do to remove these baffles. You kind of wonder, this small little piece, how much can it actually do? But, you know, listening to my buddy's bike, it does make a pretty significant difference. You'll get a chance to hear, judge for yourself, and determine if this is really worth the upgrade. So this piece just comes right off. This is the carbon fiber piece that is there on the bike. That goes in like that. And this gasket right here kind of goes in there. And then you just put these two bolts right here with some washers. And that's it. This pops right out. We'll take that out. Oh, actually, let me show you. This piece usually sits here like that, right? So that part comes out. Then there's that gasket that I just showed you. Let me just show you what I had to do here. So this is just a regular Allen wrench. So you can tell I actually had to cut the piece of this Allen wrench. The reason why is because once you remove that, let me show you here real quick. Of course. So I'll just show you. Once you remove that that bolt, you need a wrench to get in here and remove that bolt. Where this doesn't fit, I don't know if they sell anything smaller, so I just basically cut it with the Dremel. Doesn't matter, I have extra of these. And then what's left is this piece right here. And I already removed this bolt, the weld spot right here, and move them. You see how it just comes right off? So I'm going to remove that one now, but before I remove this one, I wanted to give you that sound check. So that's it. That's what I did. Let me show you a quick image of what it looked like when I was doing it. This is the Dremel that I'm using. And, you know, relatively simple. All right, so let me give you a nice cold start. It's already snowing again out there. baffles. Let's see what it sounds like once I remove the baffles. All right, so let's remove the bottom baffle here with my little invented tool here. There it is, just came out. When I put my hand here, pretty easy to just come out. Aha! There it is. All right, we're gonna remove that weld spot from the top baffle. Show you how to do that. There he goes. Nice and easy. Bolt out. Let's get this baffle thing out of here. Look at that, how easy that came out. Super, super easy. All right, let me give you a nice cold start and see if you can tell the difference. That, I cannot believe those little things make that much of a difference. Wow. All right, well, look, there you have it. Nice and simple. Showed you how to do that. All you need is a Dremel, or look, if you have any other creative ways to remove those bolts out of there, different than what I did, leave it down in the comments below. Snow is still happening here in the Northeast. We're waiting for another 8 inches next week, so won't get a chance to really put this to the test. I want you to hear this at high revs, because if it sounds this good now, man, it's going to sound absolutely, absolutely awesome. So look, that's going to do it for this video. Riding season is almost here in the Northeast. I've got 3 to the stable, lots of rides, lots of updates coming up. You're going to want to stick around. Thanks for watching.